Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Coinswitch to hardware wallet. First, connect your hardware wallet such as Ledger or Trezor to your computer or mobile device. Then, open the wallet app and select the cryptocurrency you want to receive such as BTC, ETH, or USDT. After that, copy your wallet's deposit address and make sure the network matches the crypto you are sending. Next, open the Coinswitch app or website and ensure that you have the crypto ready to transfer. Select Send or Withdraw Crypto, then paste your hardware wallet deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to transfer carefully. Before confirming, double-check the wallet address, the network, and the amount to avoid any mistakes. Once verified, confirm the transaction in Coinswitch and wait for the blockchain confirmation, which may take a few minutes depending on the network traffic. After the transaction is complete, open your hardware wallet app and check the balance of the crypto you sent. Refresh the app if needed. If the funds do not appear, contact your wallet support team for assistance. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.